Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Sir V, isa akong math teacher na nagtuturo sa college students. Today, magsasolve tayo ng homogeneous differential equations with constant coefficients. Okay? So by the way, lalo na kung hindi ka pa familiar, ano nga ba ang tinatawag na differential equation? Actually, itong differential equation na to is itong subject by the way, pag sinabing differential equation, uh, any equation involving derivative. Okay, halimbawa, dy dx. So yung dy dx, yan yung first derivative, plus y equals 0. So since ang equation na to ay may derivative, hence, ang tawag sa kanya ay differential equation. So particularly, ang first order differential equation. Kasi yung highest derivative dyan ay first derivative. Okay? And sabi ko kanina, with constant coefficients. So, ang coefficients niya lang dapat ay mga numbers lang. Hindi pwede yung x, x dy dx, hindi na yan cover. Okay? And sabi ko din kanina, homogeneous. So, when we say homogeneous equation, the right side is equal to 0. So, for example, gawin nating 1 yung right side, it is no longer homogeneous differential equation. Actually, ang tawag na doon ay non-homogeneous differential equation. Ngayon, paano ba tayo mag-solve ng differential equation? So, para mas madali, gagamit tayo ng tinatawag na differential operator. Pag sinabi nating differential operator, ito yung shorthand form ng derivative. Halimbawa, kung meron kang dy dx, first derivative, sa differential operator, dy siya. Okay? Halimbawa, second derivative, using differential operator, d square y siya. Okay? So, kumbaga, abbreviation siya or shorthand form, which is linear. Eventually kasi, sabi ko kanina, pasisimplihin natin yung differential equation. Gagawin natin siyang linear equation. Okay? well, in fact, linear, linear differential equation yung pinag-uusapan natin. Okay? So, yung dy dx, dy na lang siya, plus y equals 0. Now, you can use factoring, right? So, factor out natin yung y. So, d plus 1. So, yung y dito natin sa right side. So, ang usual na factoring, nasa left yung yung pinafactor out natin. But anyway, commutative naman ang multiplication, right? So, equals 0. Ngayon, yung left side ng equation na to, ang tawag dyan ay characteristic equation or auxiliary equation. So, introduce tayo ng another variable. So, r plus 1 equals 0. Kumbaga, tinanggal lang natin yung y sa equation. So, r plus 1 equals 0. So, we can solve for the root r equals negative 1. So, ano nga ba yung role ng root na yan? Yung r equals to negative 1 sa solution ng differential equation natin. So, kasi po, ang magiging general solution natin ay y equals c, arbitrary constant, e raised to the root, negative 1. Negative 1 times x. So that would be negative x. So ito na po yung general solution to the differential equation dy dx plus y equals 0. So let us check kung tama. And notice that meron siyang c, kasi nga tawag natin ay general solution. Ibig sabihin, kahit anong ilagay mo dyan sa C na constant, solution siya. Okay? So, let us check. So, let us take the derivative dy dx equals, so let us copy c, e raised to negative x, times the derivative of the exponent negative x, right? And that is negative 1, ang derivative doon. So, ibig sabihin, itong negative 1, ilagay na lang natin dito. So, the first derivative is negative c, e raised to negative x. So, ano yung differential equation natin? dy dx plus y equals 0. So, let us check. What is dy dx? Negative c e raised to negative x plus what is y? General solution is c e raised to negative x. And that must be equal to 0. And this is negative and this is positive, hence, they are equal to 0. So, hence, our solution is correct. Now, let us consider another differential equation. So, gawin naman natin siyang second derivative. Minus y equals 0. Ano nga yung first step? So, gamit tayo ng differential operator. So, since second derivative, d squared y ang gagamitin natin. Minus y equals 0. Factoring, we have d squared minus 1 multiplied by y equals 0. And then, anong next step? Auxiliary equation or characteristic equation. R squared minus 1 equals 0. But tinanggal lang natin yung y and nag-introduce tayo ng another variable which is r. So, solving for the roots, we can factor, di ba? Di ba, a squared minus b squared, difference of two squares, the factors are a plus b and a minus b. So, hence, using that formula, we have r plus 1, r minus 1 equals 0. So, r is equal to negative 1 or r is equal to 1. Now, the general solution is y equals c sub 1. Dalawa na kasi ang arbitrary constant natin dito. E raised to, kahit alin naman yung unahin natin. Negative x plus c sub 2 e raised to x kasi yung root is 1. Okay? So hence, this is the general solution to the differential equation. The second derivative of y with respect to x minus y equals 0. Now, consider ulit tayo. What if ganito? D squared y dx squared plus 2y or 2 dy dx plus y equals 0. Okay? So using differential operator, we have d squared y plus 2d, right? dy plus y equals 0. Now, we have d squared plus 2d plus 1, right? Y equals 0. So we have, using auxiliary equation, r squared plus 2r plus 1 equals 0. So, alam naman natin na factorable to, di ba? So, ang factors niyan ay r plus 1 squared. Tama po ba? Kasi di ba, if we have a plus b raised to 2, di ba? Binomial expansion, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So, tingnan natin. So, we have, so kung a squared natin ito, we have r squared plus, multiply natin yung 1 times r. 1 and r yun. Tapos times 2, so 2r yun. Plus the square of 1, which is 1. So, tama yung sagot natin. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, r plus 1 squared equals 0. Okay? Or pwede nyo namang gawing ganito, dalawang r plus 1. Diba? Equals 0. So, r is equal to negative 1. Multiplicity of 2. Okay? So, ngayon, ibig sabihin, dalawa ang roots natin, pero multiplicity of 2 yun. Pareho siyang negative 1. Ngayon, ano yung magiging solution natin? So, c sub 1 e raised to negative x plus c sub 2 e raised to negative x. Tama po ba? Hindi pwede yan. So, ngayon, may repetition of roots, right? So, kung may repetition of roots, mag-multiply tayo ng x dito. E raised to negative x. Kanina, yung roots natin ay distinct, negative 1 and positive 1. Kaya walang problema. Ngayon, kapag may repetition of roots, mag-multiply tayo ng x. Okay? So, this is the general solution to the differential equation. Second derivative of y with respect to x plus 2 dy dx plus y equals 0. Okay? Next, consider ulit tayo. Halimbawa, d squared y dx squared plus y equals 0. Now, using the differential operator, we have d squared y plus y equals 0. So, factoring d squared plus 1, y equals 0. Using the auxiliary equation, r squared plus 1 equals 0. So r squared is equal to -1, right? And extracting the roots, we have r equals positive, negative, the square root of -1. Alam naman natin na yung square root of -1 is I, imaginary. So r here is equal to positive, negative, I. Ngayon, imaginary root occurs. Ngayon, kapag ang imaginary root occurs, ang solution niya ay y equals c sub 1 e raised to alpha cosine beta x plus c sub 2 alpha x sine bx or beta x. Ngayon, ano ba ang tinatawag na alpha and beta diyan? Yung alpha po kasi diyan, 'di ba ang complex number, it has of the form alpha plus beta x. Kumbaga a plus bi, kumbaga pinakasimple, no? Ngayon, yung a is the real part and b is the imaginary part, diba? They are both real numbers. Imaginary part ito kasi may imaginary number dyan. Ngayon, since wala naman tayo ditong yung imaginary natin na root, hindi naman 1 plus i, di ba? So, i lang. Kaya ang mangyayari, matatanggal natin itong e raised to alpha x. So, kumbaga, ang alpha mo dyan ay 0. And what is e raised to 0? E raised to 0 is 1. Any non-zero number raised to 0 is equal to 1. So, hence, ano ang general solution natin? General solution natin ay y equals c sub 1 cosine, what is I? 1 yun. 1 yun yung beta natin, Kasi, kumbaga, 0 plus 1i, di ba? Kumbaga, ang a is 0, ang b is 1. So, now, the general solution is cosine x plus c sub 2 sine of x. This is the general solution to the differential equation, the second derivative y with respect to x plus y equals 0. Okay, I hope you learned something from this video and I hope you will subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.